Hey guys, what's going on? Today is gonna be a little bit different of a video. We're actually gonna be working on my truck here. If you have a Gen 1 Raptor, or I'm pretty sure these fit all generations of Raptors, are gonna be replacing these lights right here on the grill with the Axial ones right here. They're LEDs and they're also like smoked, so they look a little better. So yeah, let's get into it. So you wanna pop the hood first and we'll go from there. Okay, so the tools you're gonna need is a pry bar, something like this, about this size, and then a 8mm socket with maybe an extension on the one, so it's a little more difficult. But anyways, here's the difference. Here's the OEM old one, and then here's the new one. You could pretty tell it doesn't have that yellow fade. So first thing you need to do is, I already did one of them, that one. So first thing you need to do is basically find the connector. And then it'd be easier if you have something to stand on. I'm standing on this table, but just for video's sake, it'd be a little easier to do this. So we have this connector right here, and this is it. So it's gonna be in there with this little white clip right there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your pry bar right under the clip like that, and then just twist. It'll come right out. It's basically that kind of clip. So once you do that, as you can see, the little bolts, they're really weird. I thought it was gonna be metal bolts, but they're like plastic ones. I fucked up on this one. As you can see, it still has the stem in it. That was to this middle one. It's still held on by one bolt there. I kind of snapped the little post off on accident. So what you want is you just give them a few turns and it'll come right out. Hopefully I can put this one on. If not, I can just, I don't know, maybe pull a little bit of JB Weld. So once you disconnect that and then get, let me do one hand here. This just kind of slides off the posts. It's kind of stuck on that one right there. You don't want to break it like I did, so just kind of be careful with that. Now to get the connector, there's this right here, this little I don't know what you call it. It's like a little lock. You basically just, it's kind of hard to do one-handed. But where is it? Is it on this? It's this. No, it's not on this. It's on the actual connector. It's this tab. There's a tab right there. Hold that tab down and pull, and it'll come right out, and then you'll drop the light. So I'll drop that light, and then I'll show you how to reinstall it. Yeah, and you pretty much do it for this. Same for all three lights. Like I said, just be careful when you take these off, because like I said, I did break the post off in this one. So hopefully it'll go back on. I don't know if just the tip is threaded. So I'll get this tip out of there, and then hopefully it'll go back on. And that was the middle one I snapped that off of, so we'll see. So I'll come back with the install. Okay, so once you get it out, it'll look like this with this little white thing on it. I forgot what they call it, little clip. So again, you just press it, pull this out, you're good. And this clip, so let me do one hand here. This will just slide right off pretty much. And then you'll slide this off and slide it right onto here, past that notch on the new one. And then I'll show you how to, and then after that, you don't have to do this. My truck's just a little dusty. I've been off-roading. See, that's the clip right there, basically. If you can see it in there, it goes right in there. I get some of this. This is a QD electric cleaner. I just spray it. Again, hard to do with one hand, just spray it in there just to clean it out. And these are obviously already clean, so you don't have to do that, but just to do it, just so it gets a good connection in there. And when we put it back, you want to just basically slide the connector back in there. You can clip this back in the hole. The hole would be right there. And all three of them do have that little pin, like that one's like right there. So just push that back in, put the these through the post. Be careful not to snap them. And then just kind of thread these on with your hand and then your ratchet. Again, they are plastic, so you don't got really heat man them, just snug them up. And after you do all three, I'll come back to you and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I got them all wired up. The one I did break the tip of the post off, it didn't go back on. So the middle one's held on by one. You kind of see it budge where this one. So I'm basically gonna JB weld the left side where I broke the post onto the grill, kind of. You know, just don't break the posts. Now you know, but we'll see if they work. Yeah, those look way better. They're actually like a little line there where these are kind of similar to how the old ones look. So it looks a little more modern if you have the Gen 1s. Now if the other ones, Gen 2, Gen 3s, I don't know what those look like, but definitely modernizes this. I'm definitely going to be getting, they sell the same ones for the front and the back, so I definitely will be getting those. Other than that, yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this helped, and stay tuned for more Raptor content.